This is Monique. One more project with suit pants. This time we're going to make the leg a taper leg because we don't really like the regular leg that we have. So I know you're getting tired of looking at these suit pants, but we want them to look good for the wedding. So now we're going to take that big old regular dad looking leg and make it a more stylish taper leg. This work is all going to be done from the inside. You want to take the hem out. If these pants are already hemmed that you're going to work on, take that hem out because that's just going to be in your way. Then start as close to the pocket as you can and very slightly begin to taper away. Don't make a sharp turn. Come at it very gradually. Go all the way to the bottom. When you get to the point where the hem is going to be, where it's going to turn back up, either go straight or slightly taper the opposite way. This is a math thing. The circumference needs to match the circumference where it's folded back up on the inside. Otherwise, it'll make your pants pucker funny. They won't lay smooth because they'll be different circumferences. Oh, math. Then you want to switch and do it from on the inseam. Start at the top and come all the way down on the inseam so that you've tapered away and made that pant leg thinner, not quite so dad looking. Turn them the right side out after you've done both sides and probably do both legs. I think that'd be a good choice. But about 3 inches or so above from the hem, we're looking for something in the 6.5 to 7 inches to make it a taper leg. And if that's what you have, great. If not, you can redo it. Now, I know you don't love this, but now you got to go and take that old seam out. But it's on the inside. Yes, but they're not going to lay flat unless you take it out. Take out the old seam. Take it all the way out. You're going to have to take it out on 4 places on each side of each leg. I know, it can be slow to rip out seams, but it's important. It makes the pants look better when you're done, and that's the whole point of doing this, is to make them look better. So rip out the seam in all 4 places. Once you have that out, use your serger. I know you don't have a serger, you should get one. Use your serger and redo the seam allowance so that it's only 5/8, half an inch, something like that. Go down 8 times with the serger. Yes, 8 times. 2 pant legs, 2 side seams, 2 seam allowances. So there are 8 total seam allowances, and they all need to be made a little bit smaller and serged so that they don't ravel. And there you have it. Taper leg pants instead of the big old regular leg dad pants. Thanks for joining me. I hope that was useful. Remember, all scripture is God-breathed and useful for teaching, rebuking, correcting, and training in righteousness, so that the servant of God may be thoroughly equipped for every good work. See you next time.